In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to disable OneNote on startup. If OneNote keeps appearing when your computer starts, or if you simply want a cleaner taskbar and fewer apps running in the background, this is a quick setting you can change directly inside the OneNote desktop app. I'll walk you through it slowly, so it's easy to follow. First, open the page you want inside the OneNote desktop app on your computer. You don't need to make any changes to the page itself, but having OneNote open is important because the setting we need is inside the app's options menu. Once OneNote is open, look to the top left corner of the window and click File. This takes you out of your notebook view and into the app's main menu, where you can manage settings and preferences. After that, look toward the bottom left corner and click Options. This opens the OneNote Options window, which is where you can customize how the app behaves. If you've never been in this menu before, don't worry. We're only changing one setting and it's very straightforward. In the Options window, click Display. This section contains visual and interface related settings, including the one that controls whether OneNote places an icon in the taskbar notification area. That icon is often tied to OneNote launching or staying active in the background, so this is the setting you'll want to disable. Now, find the checkbox labeled Place OneNote icon in the notification area of the taskbar. When this box is checked, OneNote can continue showing in the taskbar area and may feel like it's starting with Windows. To stop that behavior, uncheck the box. Once you've unchecked it, click OK to save the change. That confirms the new setting and closes the options window. And that's it. OneNote should no longer place its icon in the notification area of the taskbar, which can help reduce the feeling that it's automatically starting up in the background. If you don't notice the change right away, a quick restart of OneNote or your computer can help apply the setting cleanly. This is a simple adjustment, but it can make your desktop feel a little less cluttered and give you more control over which apps stay visible when your system starts. If you ever want to turn it back on, just return to the same display section in OneNote Options and check the box again. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.